Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration MW70 KFK. 2020.5 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 185 PSD, Cab Limited Auto L2. It has done 73,000 miles with full service history. It's a factory-fitted crew cab and has had one owner from new. The van comes with heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Ghost immobilizer, reverse camera, 2 keys, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen. This automatic crew cab is in fantastic condition, both inside and out. It has never been used for heavy work and has only ever been used as a car. It's the limited model, fully loaded with extras and finished in a favorite color. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale, part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188.